How to fix keeps dropping calls on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, reinstall SIM. Remove SIM and clean SIM tray with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning inside SIM, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keeps dropping calls on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.